there she was, the girl of my dreams. I sure did love refrigerators, so I went closer and closer until I saw it. A refrigerator. I love refrigerators. I really do love refrigerators. Come on, let's go, my friend of a refrigerator. Said to be my lover. Refrigerators are the best thing. I'm going to take you to the nicest restaurant ever. What was that? You love me? I really love you. You are the best refrigerator this world has ever seen. I love refrigerators, especially you. But you are the nicest one. I gotta find Barry, my husband.
I wonder where he is. Hi, Barry. Barry? Barry? Are you at the fridge? Why are you dating a refrigerator? I hate you!
Linda, it is not what it looked like.
That is it! It's over! I hate you, Barry. Yeah! Done!
Now that she's out of the way, I can finally marry this refrigerator. I love refrigerators. There's the ring. Refrigerator, I love you so much, and I just want to ask you something. Will you marry me? Yes, I shall marry you.
Yeah, boogie down!
I am your wedded wife, soon to be bride.
Yeah, boogie down! Boogie down! Boogie down, boogie down, boogie down! Boogie down, boogie down! Boogie down, boogie down, boogie down! I have a refrigerator for a while. The end.
The end. P.S. Sorry for the number of voices that Barry did. If you want to see them get married, watch till the next video and like and subscribe, please.